A lot of the time what happens with natural redheads is they start going lighter at the root area and then their ends become a little bit muddy and dark. What I wanted to do was to bring back the depth in her regrowth. And I did that with a blonde beige copper. Then went through and created highlights and lowlights. And this gave a lot more dimension to her hair. And especially with redheads, the more colours that you put into the hair, the better it is and the more natural that it looks. After this was completed, I used the TBH glossing service in a lovely beige colour.